This week with the story Dear Dragon, we're going to be thinking about literary elements. And these literary elements, as you can see, are all the pieces that make up a story. So within a fantasy, fiction, a narrative story, you will have these elements. Okay, you'll have characters. Characters are the people and animals in the story. And as we're reading, we need to think about the characters in this way. What do they say and what do they think? What do they do? And what do other characters think about them? So when thinking about these questions, when thinking about characters, this helps us determine what kind of character it is in a story, or what are the character's traits. The next element of a narrative story would be the setting, and this is where and when the story takes place. And you can see the setting affects the plot because certain events happen in certain settings. And also, the setting can affect the plot by creating its mood. For example, if a story is set on a tropical island, it might include events that arise because of intense heat or a dangerous storm. So if something happens to the setting of the story, it might affect the plot or the events that happen in the story. Okay, the next word we're going to look at is the plot. And when you're thinking about plot, remember you've looked at that plot mountain before in past weeks. When you're thinking about plot, you're thinking about conflict, and this is the main problem that the characters face. And you're also thinking about the resolution. How is the conflict or problem solved in the story? Okay, the plot of most stories is organized in a sequence. It tells the events in order as they happen. And the next element are the events. And the events are the things that happen in the story. These things can change a character, they can affect the mood of the story, and events can help to build the plot. So as you're reading the story Dear Dragon this week, we're going to be thinking about each of these literary or narrative elements.